Hi everybody! Today we are going to see how to integrate Nuggeta into an existing game. For that we are going to use the game created by Tizen, Sweet Spots, and try to turn it multiplayer. You can go on GitHub and check out the samples, Nuggeta game samples repository. Here you can find the different steps to create this sweet spot, this multiplayer sweet spot. You can, if you want, download all the repository as a zip file or check out on your own repository the sweet spot, the Nuggeta game samples. Here we just check out the repository. We can find all different steps, and in the first folder, the NGDL folder with the sweet spot ngdl.xml, which is a file representing your game for this first step. So you can go into the developer seat, log with your credential. On the first page, you will see a link here to import a game from an NGDL file. So we are choose the sweet spot I just checked out and click import it. So the form is already filled with the specification of your game and you can create it. So when your game is ready, you can go to the download libraries and check out the HTML5 API and download it. When the download is finished, we can copy it to the sweet spot game and integrate it into the step 1. So I just copy the JS library generated into the JS folder of the step 1. And now you can see in the index HTML file the link to your library. Here there is sweet spot step 1.js. And now the main code is in the main.js file. At the end of this file we can find the Nuggeta plug and put here the game ID of your game. So I go into the developer seat, go into games, copy the game ID of Sweet Spot Online step 1 here. And the next step is just to launch the index.html file into a web browser. And there it is. You can see that the connection is ready and you can play at sweet spots. So let's see in detail what's in this HTML file. So here you can see we declare a pump method. And we are listening to connection already and connection fail messages. And we call these two methods here. When we have a connection already, we just put a play into the button. And if we have a connection fail, we just put a failed. And here we have the play button. So there it is. We are now successfully connected to Nuggeta Cloud. In the next tutorial, we will see how to turn Sweet Spot more interactive by adding multiplayer game mode. Thanks for watching.